So now I'll just go into a little bit more detail on the browser extension and show you everything you can do with it. And like I said, it's just a mini version of Google Notebooks. So pretty much everything I already talked about applies to this. This is just the mini version. So first off, here's your notebook section where you organize your notebooks. And you can see how I have access to my different notebooks just like before. And just like before, they highlight blue for whichever one I'm on, and I can switch to or skip to different sections right here. I still have my unfiled bookmarks section and the create a new notebook option. And down here you see I have my labels, so I can minimize the notebooks, and then when I do that, it brings down the labels tab, and you can see I can go to my labels just like I could in my notebook. And if you're not, say you're just sticking to this one notebook, you can get rid of this like that, so you have more, you can see more while you're browsing the internet, and you don't have to have this little part sticking out the whole time if I'm specifically going to stick to this notebook for the time being. So I minimize that, and here's my actual notebook. And let me go to the other one just so it's a little bit better example. Okay, you can see it has cut off my note and just giving me kind of a little short little introduction, and when I clicked on it, it maximized it. I can minimize the note just like that, and double clicking does it as well. And you can see I can, there's a little scroll bar, so I'm scrolling down this note. I can also add a comment straight from here and add a label straight from here. Go ahead and minimize that. I can also choose, if you want to see all your notes, you don't want to have to maximize all of them individually, you can go to this Tools option and expand all notes. And now they are all expanded. A couple more options up here in Tools. You've got delete the selected note, collapse all notes, go to my notebook homepage, refresh and help. And it's collapsed because I expanded them all, but see how that works? So there you go. And you can also minimize it down, and it's still there. If I'm look around and then I unminimize it, get it back up here. I can also click this button right here to pop it out in a new window. It kind of gives you a bigger window to work with. So yeah, I mean just a bigger window. I pop it back in by going back out here. And then right here is your most important button, the clip feature, which I will be showing you how to use shortly. But that is just the browser extension in detail. And remember, this will stay open wherever I go on the internet. And to close it, I just hit right there.